Do you hate the hassle of emptying dust from your vacuum? Worried about dust inhalation? Now there's a better way. Meet DustZero S3, the most advanced and powerful smart vacuum with an auto empty station. Designed to make cleaning easy and keep your house dust-free. Cordless and rechargeable, the DustZero is the only auto disposal solution that can hold and trap up to 30 days of dust. The 3L dust bag keeps the fine dust in, and the sterilization UV lights kill the germs to prevent odors. Quick and easy cleanup. Built with a powerful high-efficiency 450-watt motor that generates up to 30,000 pascals of suction. That's among the highest suction power on the market today. Plus V-Boost technology that automatically adjusts the suction power as you go based upon the floor type. Each charge delivers up to 60 minutes of cleaning time with a removal and rechargeable battery. Clean any surface and navigate anywhere. Guided by LED headlight illumination. The DustZero comes with a round brush to quickly remove dust and hair from curtains, sofas, bookshelves, and more. Plus a long crevice nozzle for hard-to-reach niches and corners. And a flexible telescope pipe to clean high places. The DustZero's 5-layer filtration system traps 99.9% of dust and allergens to boost your air quality. With this powerful smart vacuum, you'll say goodbye to dust and hello to easy home cleaning with the only auto dispensing station that automatically collects and disposes the dust from your vacuum. DustZero S3, impeccably clean. Support us today on Indiegogo.